Hello everyone, welcome to GK Writings 30 channel. In this video we'll be seeing about this Faber castell connector pens. So there are 25 connector pens in this. This is how the packaging looks. The actual MRP of this is 150 rupees, which means 6 per piece, and you have two numbers of super connectors worth rupees 20. So you can use for all these purposes. This was the packaging. The selling price of Dmart is rupees 109. After opening, so these are the colors in this. So each pen are connected with each other, so you need to just open it like this, see, and then you can attach this. So this is how it is. You can separate these pens. So see, yeah, you can open it like this. The connector pens. So these are the extra pens. So see, you can just split and take this out. You can take each colors out and you can again connect it like this. See, this is how it writes. This is ash color, brown, and lighter shade of brown, so you have this purple pen, see, yellow. You have different shades of blue. This is purple one, this blue, and this blue, this lighter blue, and aqua blue, this neon color, yellow color. After yellow you have this three shades of green. This one is this green, and this green. See, after green you have this violet color, this maroon color, this darker pink, and this lighter version of pink, and this pink. And then you have this cream color, I mean peach color, and then this orange color, and then this shade, this darker orange, and then this red color. So totally you have this 25 connector pens. So you can actually connect this while organizing. That is why it is called as connected pens. It is almost like a sketch pen only, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So these are the shades. This is how it is. These are the shades in that. So totally you have 25 shades. Hope you can see this. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.